Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany, Britannia718, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. So this week I want to talk to you all about whether or not you should only be using Sisterlocks products. In the beginning of getting Sisterlocks, you should definitely be using the Sisterlocks products, especially the starter shampoo. That is best because it helps to roughen your cuticles and your hair, like your hair shaft, to help your hair lock. So that is greatly beneficial. When that runs out, you can always obtain more if you need to, but usually you just have to use the bottle that comes in the starter kit. Personally, I don't like all of the products from the Sisterlocks brand. I really did at one point like the green tea shampoo, but for some reason I realized that not all bottles were created equal. I know that sounds really weird and like how, but like I had one bottle that worked very well and the next bottle that I had didn't work so well. So yeah, the green tea shampoo is not one of my faves. The reconstructive conditioner, that's cool too, but I think it's best if your hair is matured for you to use that particular product because it's a conditioner, you know? Also, the other reason why I don't feel like it may be necessary quite so for you to be using the Sisterlocks products is because it's not always easy to obtain those products, especially if your loctician doesn't already sell the products. Because like ordering them from the store, like from corporate, yeah, sometimes it can take forever and a day to receive it. So it's like by the time you need it, like what are you supposed to do in the meantime, you know? So that's like a little gripe that I have with the products. But this by no means does this mean for you to be out here being a product junkie, buying a whole bunch of products that you know that you do not need, it's not good for your hair. So what I would suggest is, like, if you don't like the Sisterlocks products, maybe make sure that you have at least a clarifying shampoo. That is something that you should definitely use, whether it's something that you have to dilute a little bit with water just to make sure it's not too strong for your hair. But listen, nothing wrong with the clarifying shampoo. That goes a long way. Suave is my jam. That's what I use. And also like a little, like some oils. Nothing, not like, don't douse your hair in like oils, but like a little bit of oils just to replenish your hair as well. And you'd be just fine, and just spending like little to nothing on products that you can obtain right from your corner store or your dollar store or Wally World. Okay. Just be sure to talk to your loctician if you're worried or if you're concerned about what you should use in your hair. I can't see your hair, so I'm just giving you my experience and my advice from those that I've helped and from myself. So, but if you're unsure, talk to your loctician. They'll be able to give you the proper advice. If they supply the Sisterlocks shampoos and the other products and you like them, then continue to use it. Me, it was a no. It was a no. Like, and now that my hair is so long, like I have way too much hair and not enough product. So I need to go with something that was cost efficient, you know? And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. If there's anything that I left out about the products, whether good or bad, please by all means leave them in the comments below. Be sure to share the video, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not. Tell your mom and them I said to subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. Later.